Hey everyone, Ethan here from Extreme RC 4x4, and today I'm going to be upgrading the power system once again for this tiller for the Kyosho Blizzard. I have upgraded it to 6 volt. You can check out that video. It's actually really popular. It's one of my most popular videos on my channel, which really surprised me. But that's basically how I got to where I am today with all the wiring that I've done here by myself. You can't purchase this. I just wired it all up from the factory one using components like the switch that Kyosho has in theirs that runs off the servo, and I also have this battery box that came from something, I can't remember what. But anyways, today I got an old stud finder, and what we're going to be using from it is this 9 volt battery holder here. So we're going to be cutting that off. I already have it marked out with that line right there, but it did have a light on it that I did want to use, so like when the tiller would turn on, the light would turn on. But I tested it on 9 volt and it seemed to work, and then I think it burned out because it doesn't work anymore. But anyways, that's alright. It'll save me a little bit of wiring, I guess. But it's gonna be good to get 9 volts in here because this battery pack is kind of bulky, and it kind of interferes with how I mount the body. But yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and start cutting this with the Dremel. If you are younger, make sure you have a parent or guardian helping you. Wear safety glasses, and just be careful. So I got this all sanded down nicely and cut out, got rid of a lot of the bulk. So let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my soldering gun so I can start heating up. I have tested these tabs already. I can solder on them, so I just want to make sure I could do that. So I guess I just have to take this one off of there. So while I'm soldering this up, I'll go ahead and talk to you guys about why I am upgrading this power system again. So 6 volt did work really well for me. The only issue I have with it is when it gets under load, you can really start to feel the tiller kind of bogs down, and once it kind of freezes in there after you run it without it on for some time, it has a hard time breaking the tiller free again. So that's why I'm upgrading it, just get more power out of it. Alrighty, so as you guys might have heard from the last clip, this battery kind of dead, so I put a new 9 volt battery in there, and it's working a lot better now. So it can really withstand a lot more load, and this is the only problem with the tiller is when it gets a lot of crap in here and it kind of locks up. Sometimes I even have a hard time breaking it free by hand, so hopefully this will do a lot better. So one last thing I'm going to do is just put a little bit of double-sided tape on the back of this guy here and stick it to the chassis. So just get our length right. So there you go, guys, got it nice and stuck up in there. I can still get that battery out if I need to, just open that door. And yeah, so I guess I got a new nice battery compartment for in here, and a good amount more of power, so this thing should tilt through the snow a lot better. I noticed, especially in the last running video, that this thing was just bogging down so much from the snow, and it was really light snow too. So I'll probably test this off camera a little bit before I get a running video of it, but hopefully I will have some more running videos of this coming up in the near future. A few last things I wanted to mention is I did remove the cover off of this motor here. You can just pull it right off. I didn't want this motor to be getting too hot, so I think I'm just going to leave it off for now. And it also gets the wires away from the sprocket here. I have put a pen spring on this lift rod here so that you can get some downforce on this tiller. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. So anyways, guys, this 9 volt mod should prove to be pretty good. I'm glad to get this 6 volt thing out of here, because the body sits on here a whole lot nicer without it. And anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.